Hey, I'm Kylie of Kylie M Interiors, online paint color consultant and e-design specialist. Today, we're going to look at Sherwin Williams Passive. So Passive is a light gray paint color, and let me tell you, those are pretty damn popular these days. Now, every gray will have an LRV number. LRV is light reflectance value. This number goes from 0 to 100, and it really just tells you how light or dark a paint color is going to be. 0 is black, 100 is white. This guy sits at 60, so he's in the light range, but he's thinking about getting a little bit more weight to him. He's not a light, fresh, cheery gray, got a little bit more body to him. But still, at 60, that's a pretty decent depth for the average room with the average amount of light. Now, as you might know, every gray has undertones, blue, green, or purple. So you do have to choose the one that's going to best suit your home. Now, the interesting thing with Passive is that if you were to go down the color chip, you'd see a whole lot of green come out. By the time you get to Passive, that green's fallen right back and you're left with a little bit more blue-purple. Now, that doesn't mean he can't pick up a wink of green, especially if you have landscaping outside the window, but generally speaking, Passive is going to favor a little bit more blue-purple over green. He's actually one of the more flexible grays because he's less committed to one undertone. Now, sometimes the best way to pick a paint color is with comparison. So I want to check out, let's look at light French gray. Light French gray is another popular color, but it's got a little bit more body to it. It's a little bit stormier. I can say it's warmer, but it's still not like a super warm gray. This has a soft purple undertone, but it's not as cool as this one, right? Benjamin Moore Stonington gray. So Stonington gray is a gray with a blue undertone that can flash a little bit blue-green. I mean, holy, right? So if you compare those two, you can see how this color can really pick up that wink of green tucked with the blue, whereas all of a sudden this looks considerably more blue-purple, right? Big Chill, I love Big Chill. I might play favorites with this color. Big Chill's awesome. He's got a great LRV, and he's a gray that's not icy cold, a little bit stormy, with a little bit of a soft blue undertone. Again, in comparison, you're going to see a colder, more crisp, slightly more blue-purple undertone coming up in Passive. Now, if I'm going to partner Passive with a white, I'm going clean. I'm not going to put a warm white with it. So I'm going to look at Sherwin Williams Extra White, Sherwin Williams High Reflective White. If we put a warm white with it, life will go on, but if I'm going to use Passive, I'd rather start from scratch and choose the right white that really plays well with it. And that would be something like this look here. So that's Sherwin Williams Passive. I hope you enjoyed this color review. If you want to see some photos of colors and more reviews, I have an awesome blog, and I do hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.